Hi girls, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing excellent and I hope that you're ready for our fourth day of ballet together. Today we are going to be using the bar more than yesterday, so make sure that you have that next to you ready to go. I have my chair over there for when we start. Otherwise, let's just get started with some stretching. Like always, we'll start in butterfly. And flap those beautiful butterfly wings. And if you want to have your antennas to help you, you can. Or you could just flap your wings. Just do this for a minute longer. And then stop. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall before doing nose to toes. Hopefully by now, maybe you can stretch down a little bit farther than when we first started. And then stretch your legs out in front of you. Adjust if you need to so that you're comfortable. And reach up and for your toes. And reach up one more time. And try to reach a little bit farther. Very good. Today, instead of having my hands behind me, I'm just going to set them on my knees, okay? And you know what we're going to do next? Flex and point. So go ahead and flex and point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point. A few more flex, point. And now alternate, so one at a time. Switch, 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 switch. Very good. And then last, we open up to our straddle. Make sure again that you're sitting up nice and tall, your shoulders are back, and lift up and reach to one side. Make sure that your arm is above your head. And up. And to the other side. And up. And now reach for the center. Very good. Okay, let's stand up and get started. Sorry, I just wanted to turn my music up a little bit. So we start always with pliés and tendus. Today we're gonna get our bar and we're gonna do both pliés and tendus at the bar, okay? So, it doesn't matter which side you start with, just pick a side. And we will do pliés first. So, remember the rules of the bar. Make sure you're about an arm's distance away, but you have a slight bend to it, so it's not straight. And then your fingertips are just gently resting on the bar. You're not grabbing it. The leg that's close to the bar is your standing leg. The outside leg and arm are your working leg and arm. So we will be in first position. And for our pliés today, we'll just keep our hand on our hip, okay? And so it will look like this when we go. We will do 5. So we'll go down, up, and then Do that 2 more times and then do it again. So if you guys are ready to go and you're at your bar and you're in first position, then we can get started. 5, 6, 7, 8, plie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we're going to do that again. But before we do, I just wanted to say, because you have your bar there to help you balance, this is a really good time to make sure that we have good form. So, just like everything else that we do, your shoulders are back, you're standing up nice and tall, you have a straight line down your back, so you're not sticking out your butt, and you're not curving your back like this. You're just nice and elongated, okay? Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. We won't do that on both sides of the bar because a plie, you just use your legs, so it's not something where it's isolated with one leg at a time. So those are all the plies that we'll do. Next, we will jump right into our tendus. Whatever side that you just did, stay on that side, and then we will do the other side, okay? So we're here. Our outside leg is going to be doing the tendus, and we will do 5 to the front, 5 to the side, and then today, just to try something new, we will do 5 to the back. So, if you know how to do them to the back, great. If not, just watch me. So to the front looks like this, right? Tendu to the front, tendu to the side, looks like that. Tendu to the back is the same thing. You just tendu back, like that. This one's a little bit trickier, but again, you have your bar to help you balance, and your leg just goes straight behind you. See? Just like that. So, 5 to the front, 5 to the side, and then 5 to the back. And your arm will just stay on your hip that whole time. Okay, are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. I hope that felt good. If not, it's okay. We will practice it on the other side, and then you can just practice at home whenever you want. So if you need to switch sides, you can. I have to switch around my little chair. And actually, I changed my mind just to feel even, because we had our hand on our hip on this side to do our plies. Now I want to do plies on the other side, but we'll just do one set of 5. So we're not doing tendus yet. We're going to do our plies again, okay? So we are now on the opposite side. So for me, my right hand is now on my bar. And I'm going to scoot back a little bit to make sure you can see my feet. So, plies. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Stay right there. We're going to jump right into tendus. Let me show you again one more time just so you can see it on the opposite side. You already know how to do them to the front and to the side. You may already know how to do them to the back. But if you don't, it's the same movement of pointing with a straight leg. Your foot slides back and it points behind you. It's very easy to kind of point to the diagonal like I'm doing right now. So just make sure that you keep it as straight behind you as you can and then slide it back in, okay? So, if you're ready to go, we will get started. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And so, good job. We're going to move on, and now we will do releves at our bar. So, we will do it on both sides, and I would like to just do them from first. So a releve, I think we've talked about it, but if not, it just means to go up on your toes, like that. So when we do our ballerina walk, that is up on releve, okay? So why don't we have our hand just on our hip, okay? And we will go up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? And we'll probably do that 5 times, just like everything else, and then do it again after. And then we'll move our bar, and then do it with the other hand resting on the bar. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice, you guys. Let's try that one more time, and then we'll go to the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. I'm going to move my chair or my bar so we can do it on the other side. Give you guys just a second if you're adjusting. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. This will be our last time doing releves. So this time, on your 5th one, instead of coming down, I want you to try to stay up on releve, and I would like to try to do arms, and let's just see how long we can balance for, okay? So, are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, try to stay up on releve. So let's see if we can do arms. Very good. Excellent. I moved my chair out of the way because we are done with bar work today. So if you want to quickly just push that aside so it's out of your way. Because now we're going to do some skipping, right? Fun. So a skip is quite simple. I'm sure you know how to do it. You have hands on your hips and you just step, hop, just like this. So it's just a really easy but fun way to move around in a dance. So instead of just walking, you can skip to your spot, right? It's a nice transitional move. You can, to make it more fun, you can pretend that we're skipping somewhere. So we can be skipping to the beach, we could skip to the post office, okay? We could skip anywhere. So while we're skipping together, use your imagination and pretend that we're going somewhere, okay? So instead of saying instead of going, okay, we're gonna skip around the room twice, I'm just going to do an 8 count 2 times. And then when I'm done, we will stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that make sense? Good. So you can skip anywhere you want. You could skip in a circle. You could skip in place if you don't have a lot of room, whatever you want to do. I'm going to skip in a little circle. So even though we're skipping, we still want to have good form. So make sure we're standing up nice and tall. Hands around our hips. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Let's do that one more time. When we're skipping and your leg comes up to passe, that's what this is called. Make sure you have a pointed toe. Does that make sense? So you skip, comes up to passe. Skip, up to passe. All right, let's do that one more time. I'm gonna go a different direction this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, you guys. Okay. That is going to be it for today, except for our ending, which is what? Our ballerina turn. Okay, so let's find first position. And remember that our arms come up as we twirl. And today, since it's our 4th day, let's go around 2 times, okay? Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, beautiful job today, you guys. I hope that you had lots of fun. And if you want, you could do the video all over again if you want to, okay? Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for our last day of digital ballet. Bye.